Hello, Wichita Public School families. My name's Todd Junker, and I'm one of the PE teachers at Christa McAuliffe Academy. And we thought, as a PE department, we thought it would be great to give you some ideas of ways to keep your kids active at home. And so one of the ideas that we have is a favorite at the Junker house, and we call it Stuffed Animal Battleship. Stuffed Animal Battleship, all you need for this is an object to throw over or toss over your curtain, which is kind of in the middle here. And we use a sheet at our house, and we just clip it to, we have a lamp post that's kind of tall. We clip it to in an entertainment center. We clip it to on one side to divide our space into two halves. We also need a handful of stuffed animals. So on each side today for demonstration, we just have three on this side and three on the other side. And then we split our household into two teams. So we have two people. At our house, we have four people. We have two people on that side, and two people are a team on this side. We rock, paper, scissors to see who's going to start by tossing the ball over first. And the object of the game is to try to get rid of the other team's stuffed animals. All you have to do that is hit the stuffed animal when you toss it over. So if I was to toss this over to that side, my goal would be to have it bounce, and it might bounce off a wall and come back and hit the stuffed animal, and then that stuffed animal is out. The first team to win is the team that gets rid of the other team's stuffed animals. They're kind of like the battleships of this game. And then once we take our turn across, we step out of the way, and then our partners from the other teams on that side, they toss over to this side. You can add some fitness into this game by saying that every time you knock somebody's, one of their stuffed animals out of the game, maybe they have to owe you 5 jumping jacks or 10 jumping jacks, and that'll add a little bit of fitness into the game. So if I was going to go first in Stuffed Animal Battleship, it would look kind of like this. I'm just going to go ahead and toss over, and we'll see if I can hit one of the stuffed animals that's on the other side. And then the team that's on that side would toss over and see if they hit one of the stuffed animals on our side. So that's called Stuffed Animal Battleship. It's a great way to stay active at home. It's a great game. Keep trying to find ways to stay active with your families.